Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make images move in CapCut PC. In order to do that, first of all, you have to import your image, which is I have already imported. If you want to import this kind of icon will appear, just simply click on and choose your image. So I have already imported the image. Drag that image into your timeline and click the image. Now, if you see in the right corner, you will get to see the scale and position. To move images, you have to give a keyframe to image. To give keyframe, you have to just simply click on add keyframe over here, and if you want to position move, you can do with the position. If you want to do scale only, you can do scale only as well. So I have given the keyframes. Now just simply increase the size of image. Now as you can see here, this is got animated and this image is moving. So this is the way you can move the image in CapCut.